I'm going to be dyeing my hair. We need to fix the, because this is a month. A month. 30 days. Like 30 days, maybe a little bit more. And it looks bad. And I've been going places with this hair. Like, look how bad it is. And I've been going out with this. No, so we're gonna fix it and get rid of the orange and all that. So let's do that. Hi besties, it's me and your girly boo forgot to film. Now I'm just editing and I forgot to film. So I got pictures. 3 pictures of the process of me doing the hair. Anyway, it took me about, I say, 3 bleaches and a couple bleach bars just to get my hair light enough. And then, yeah. But I do have footage of me showing you my hair. Yeah. This is what the hair kind of looks like. It's still not done though. So, I don't know. I kinda do like it. You see, like over here, like if I do this, you can see there's still a bit of like orange. But that's fine because I'm gonna get my boyfriend to come fix it. Also, it is not done yet. So you can't be like, it looks very yellow. Yeah, because it's not done. Because I just bleached it. And then I still need to put the color on top of it. But I need to still wait for the color to come because color's not even here yet. So I don't know what I'm gonna be like doing my hair with. I'm gonna try and see if I can put you somewhere where you can better see. Besties, I don't know why I'm not talking. It's just silent. Listen. There's orange here, there's orange there. No, it's just silent. Silence. Were you silent or silenced? Silenced. I don't know if it looks fine. I feel like it does look fine. Also, I got a mic. I don't know what to do with it. I kind of don't like it. But also, what am I going to do? Because everybody keeps like, get a mic, get a mic. Why didn't you have a mic? I don't know. And then I ordered the wrong one, so I don't know. It was meant to be a pink one. My hair does look a bit weird because it is winter. We are in storms. Quite literally in storms. It's not fun down here. Not fun. It kind of looks cutesy. So my hair is very like. It's actually not because I styled it and everything. But like I feel like, you know, some of the yellow, the orange is gone. I'm just gonna do this and then see if I've done another bleach bars. And I don't know if it looks okay. I feel like it does look okay, but like I don't know. I don't know. Because if you can see up here, it's a bit more like yellow. Because like if you look here, it's still yellow. Like a dark yellow than the rest of the color. Look at the growth. Period. So my hair is really, really frizzy. It's really frizzy, girl. Girl. I don't know if you like me. Sometimes I think you wanna be me. You always say let's go out. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. Like I feel like it does look bad. Or am I being delusional? I think I'm delusional. Probably I'm delusional. Because we're now some delusionally. I don't know. Also, my hair is very frizzy. My hair is very frizzy because the humidity is outside dry and it makes my hair very frizzy. And like, I don't know if you can see the back of my hair. Wait, I can't even get my hair on camera. I still can't get you on camera. I'm gonna go way down. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. I feel like it looks fine. Anyway, so this is not the final look though. I still need to go to the shops and buy the dye. I still need to take you with me to go buy the dye because I need to get the dye because this is not the final product. Look at it. It clashes with my undertones. It's my eyes. Also, my eyebrows are really dark, so I don't know. I feel like it would look fine. Also, the goal is, like I said, honey blonde. Honey blonde? No, not honey blonde. Champagne blonde. Because I want to go honey blonde, but honey blonde looked too dark. It looked too dark. My hair's really frizzy. I really don't like this humidity. So I was airbrushing my hair with the airbrush. And it took my hair somewhere here and just like yanked it off and I was like, ah, no. Anyway, let's go with our besties. Does this look like it's champagne blonde? To me, it does not look like champagne blonde. Like whatever floats your boat, but this is not champagne blonde. And like, I don't know if my hair was too light for the color or the fact that I kept it on for too long. And also, I did by mistake go over my roots. You can see. Anyways, I kind of feel like it looks okay. I do want to maybe do my brows like a bit lighter, but like I like the dark brows because they're my brows. They're dark. Deal with it. I don't know. I feel like it does look okay. I don't know. The lighting now looks terrible. I don't know. I do not know. That is it for the video of my glow up diaries hair edition. I don't like this lighting. It makes me look old. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next. I promise I will try to take you guys with me because I kind of do want to take you guys. I do want to take you guys with me everywhere, but my space on my phone. I'll show you how much space I got on my phone. It is all just the phone itself. So until I get a new phone, I will probably be forgetting and not taking you with because the thing is, I go out. I'll record maybe like 3 short videos. Boom, storage full. Somehow 3 little videos take up like 3 gigs. Whoa, I don't even know. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe what you want to see next. Like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe what you want to see next. Yeah, yeah. Subscribe what you want to see next. Subscribe what you want to see next. You know. Anyways, so yeah. Bye.